If you want to make a one-pot meal, stick around and I'll teach you how to make this one-pot cheesy taco pasta. As a one-pot recipe, that means you don't have to clean a strainer or a second pot. Drain any excess grease with a paper towel, super easy. While the beef cooks, gather your seasonings. We got chili powder, ground cumin, paprika, smoked if you have it, oregano, salt, and pepper. Then add in your uncooked pasta and broth, a can of tomato sauce, and a can of Rotel. Do not drain the Rotel. You could use salsa instead if you want. Mix that all together, bring it to a boil, then reduce the heat to low. Cover the pot and simmer for about 15 minutes or until the pasta is al dente. At this point, there will be liquid in the pot, but it will be saucy instead of watery. And this is going to be the base of our sauce. Now remove it from the heat, add in your cheese, do yourself a favor, and do this in batches. When that's all mixed and melty, you can top it with a little cilantro if you'd like and serve. I almost forgot to mention, when the pasta is cooking, make sure you stir occasionally so that it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pot. Let me know if you'd like to see more one-pot recipes.